Now here we'll show you how to install the software. First, you have to make sure Arduino 1.8.5 has been installed on your computer. Open the manufacturer folder in your flash drive. Double-click Setup to install our printer control software. The computer may reboot during the installation. Please make sure your computer is ready for that. Connect the 3D printer and a PC, Windows 10 only with a USB coder after the software installation. The USB input port is right beside the power input. Open Manufacturer. Select COM port and click Connect. Enter the serial code from your flash drive. Then click Validate. It will show Welcome to Manufacturer if the certification succeeds, and the part software installation has been done.